Again, a very warm welcome. I'm Michael Beale, NLP trainer, NLP coach trainer, stakeholder center coach. End frame. It's important what we say at the beginning of the interaction. It's important to remember that what we say at the end of the reaction is likely to be remembered. I normally have 3 different variations of what I say at the end. If it's a small change we've been going through and we've already established some points that the client will do, I'll get them to double confirm that they're going to do them and they're happy to do them. If we've been talking about big change work, the last thing I want to do is to end their thinking process. So I will end up with some hypnotic but positive words of the frame, like the idea like that we've talked about lots of important stuff today. You've done some real hard work. You've done some interesting exercises. That thought processes, both consciously and unconsciously, have started. You may already have noticed some changes, but what will happen is over the next hours, the next days, those changes will continue, and you will start to find that you will make those learnings that are important to you. And what's even better is you will start to put into action those things that will start to move you forward. So I'll give them a very gentle suggestion that they're going to continue the processing. And the third option is sometimes I'll say to clients at the end of the session, thanks for taking your part. If I ask you the last question, what are you aware of now? Almost with no framing, I'll ask my clients the question because I want to know what thoughts are going on in their head. If their thoughts are, really positive session, I've learned a lot, I'm going to do this, this, and this, I will shut up. If they say something that means that there's something that hasn't quite worked or they're concerned about something, it gives me the information to take it a little bit further forward. And sometimes within a few minutes, I can close any loops, I can answer any objections, which means that the whole session has been very useful. So those are 3 possible ways you can end a session. What's important for me is that whichever I choose is positive for the client. It stops me saying the wrong things by mistake or throwing something in at the end which isn't relevant to the client's success. Thank you for listening. In the next section, which is the last of the series, I'm going to do a brief summary.